So as you can see, this is a very different kind of the fight series a little bit. Come on, let me show you my Fauji's over here. Sham, are you ready, brother? And we are against each other. पता है कोशिश हमारी यही है कि हम और हमारा जो चैलेंज है वो रेडी रहे और बाकी सारे होनहार युवकों को देखो. This young fellow here who's bruising from a loss has to come back and we make sure this paintball. Brother, you played this before? No. Oh wow! Do you know how much it hurts? So they haven't played paintball before. I can't see. It's imagine talking to an MMA athlete how much it hurts. It's rubbish. लेकिन वो जो होता है ना जैसे like pinch करना. Imagine somebody pinches you really hard, then uses a cheaty to pinch you. So that's how it's going to hurt. Sham, are you ready? I don't think I'll get hit, but let's see. You don't think you'll get hit? Crazy. Oh, so we're going to go inside, and this is this is a challenge I'll explain after. I want to see the outcome before I give the discussion. है ना? पहले मेरे को देखना है कि जीतेगा कौन. So as we've decided, we've got the entire combat team here. Where is the whole team? There we go. We got an injured boy also who's actually come. He would have actually been part of MFN 12 poor thing, but he wasn't able to. Brother, you're still hurting from that, yaar. Yeah. Come now, come inside the frame. First of all, hiding your face. Turn around. And look at him. He's covered his. This is the Fauji team. They're all ready. And my camera crew also, because it's free, they're also taking part in it. That's what I love. Turn around to the director. Look at his struggle of wearing this. All right. So we go inside and hopefully we come out without killing anybody. And she's going to be the biggest target. Come around to her. Future MMA fighter of this country, one of the top kickboxing champions of our country coming in. And I have played this a lot before. I just want to warn you beforehand only. Before this, I've been saying that I haven't done all this. I'm going to target all of you guys. Okay, so good luck. And let's see what happens. And you're not allowed to all target me together. So where is my team, yaar? Where is this? You have to save us from them. We got a wrong height also. This fellow, yaar, hello, you are in our team. He's in our team. We got a big fellow. So we're going to use him as a battering ram. I mean, if you all have seen NFL, we'll come and do that. Okay, so get ready. Remember, you can watch this whole thing on Disney Plus Hotstar. We're going to go in. Good luck, Sham. May you lose. And Tintin, may you lose. That's my big threat. Let's go inside and have some fun. So, sir, two teams like normal. One side on that side, one side on this side. That one team has to come here and try and reach the end of this side. That's all. Elimination we are doing, if two people get hit twice, silence please. Twice on the body, then you are eliminated. And you have to, oh, is it thrice? Okay, thrice. Okay, thrice. And then they have to sit on the side. Right, shot one, they have to sit on the side. If any one of their team members manages to touch this goalpost here, that person is revived. That's all.
What about the leg shots and
that actually don't hit that.
No, I don't think here everyone's sharpshooter, right?
So sometimes wherever it gets it, so 3 times is 3 times.
3 times body shot. Anywhere in the body.
3 times. And sir, no cheating. They are very big professional athletes that are only trying to murder us. We are small fellows, so please.
Okay, anyone cheats, I'll call you to one more person.
Yeah!
Oh, it's raining on them.
Yeah, it's raining.
We are not. So it's our first time, but we'll play like a pro.
We will be beating Sanil.
Salil.
Make sure Salil gets beaten.
Yeah.
Everyone is first time.
Abhimanyu also first time, huh?
Yeah. But I will take like putt se headshot.
Salil wants to be in the middle, so he is the target.
targeted by these two, and I was massacred by them. How was it? But easy, right?
Very easy.
Very easy, right?
Very easy.
So now we'll play the real game. We allowed them to win the first one. Now we'll play the second one. Okay, ready? And you all are targeting me. I can feel it.
No,
But I'm
whoever is coming first, you are targeting.
Okay, so now, is this as easy as you thought?
Yes.
Very easy. Now watch. Now we, as we said in the previous round, we are upping our game. We won. Now we'll go one up. You challenge us, sir. Back to our other side. Good luck. May you get out first. Sacrifice करा हूं, लेकिन बराल कर चुके हैं. अब मैं एक तरफ, बाकी सारे लोग दूसरी तरफ रहेंगे. Because that's my game plan. Let them get me. I'll get the rest of them. Yeah, baby. Since they want to get me, I won't come out. Their bullets are finishing. I have the most bullets.
Watch my this side.